If you're a mechanic or simply like to work on your own car, chances are you've run across a few dead relays. Well, this week's featured product makes troubleshooting a breeze. Check out the 12-volt automotive relay tester from Performance Tool. Relays, for those unaware, are little switches in a box that use electricity to turn the current on and off, and works in conjunction with your car's computer to control everything from your lights, fans, and even locking your doors. Over the life of a car, a relay can break due to consistent use or, more commonly, overheating. Unlike a fuse, you can't inspect a relay just by looking at it, so normally you have to wire it up to the car battery and sometimes use a multimeter to see if the relay is still functional. This relay tester, as the name implies, makes it super easy to test most common 4 and 5 pin relays you'll find under the hood. Simply plug the relay into the unit, press the test button, and wait for it to give you either a green light for good or a red light for bad. It couldn't be simpler. Having the ability to quickly test a relay not only saves you time, but helps you get to the root of a car problem faster, as you can swiftly determine if the issue is simply a dead relay or if it runs deeper. Its compact size also makes it convenient to carry around or store in a toolbox, and runs on just 4 AA batteries, which are included. So speed up your diagnostics and save yourself time with this week's feature product, the 12-volt automotive relay tester from Performance Tool. Ever had a car problem that came down to a simple relay? Share your story with us in the comments section, and be sure to follow so you can keep up with our 100% Canadian content. Have a great day.